Hello guys, welcome to Python tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial we will learn Python step by step and we'll start with its introduction. So without wasting our time, just move ahead and know we are going to learn in this section what is Python, what is high level and scripting language, and why use Python. So we just move to step 1, which is what is Python. So Python is an object oriented programming language, or you can say a scripting language, which is used for web applications development, software development. It is used to handle big data and machine learning. It is used to write system scripts, and it is used to solve complex mathematics calculations also. So this was the basic definitions of Python, and now we should move to the next step, which is what is a high level language and what is a scripting language. So I would like to tell you that a high level language is a language which needs to be compiled by compiler or interpreted by interpreter before it is run on computer processor. And a high level language is close to human being as it is easily understandable by human beings. So now what is scripting language? Yeah, one more thing, C, C++, Java, Python, all are high level languages. And now what is a scripting language? So scripting languages are languages which do not require compilation and are directly compiled at runtime. Okay. So basically scripting languages are used with other programming languages and other technologies for integration in order to perform the development. Okay. So I hope this section is also clear. So now we will move to next section and know why should we use Python. Okay, so we should use Python for some reasons which are very essential, like Python requires lesser lines of codes as compared to other languages, and Python is able to handle big data easily, and Python provides a lot of libraries to work with machine learning and complex mathematic calculations. So these are the some basic reasons, and some more reasons, like it is supported by multiple platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. And it provides both approach to write your codes or programs, like procedural approach as well as object oriented approach to write your programs. So guys, this was the introduction section of Python and I hope it is clear. Thank you.